Hello everyone, welcome back to the Gold Technical Analysis session with Mugmig. So yesterday the price was still being in a sideways, so it did not reach our plans for both buying plans and the selling plans as well. So today it might continue to do so. However, I will give you the plans just so you know that okay, this is the big picture for the gold for today. Alright, so let's get started. Here we go. So this is the weekly time frame, and the reason why I need to start with the weekly time frame again is because I think yesterday I haven't explained some of the points here, so I will do it in this video. Alright, so in this weekly time frame, if you remember, we have our demand zone here, which is the rally base and rally, and also however the trend is being a downtrend. That makes the price being really confused and trying really hard to decide whether it should go up because of the demand zone or it should go down because of the trend. Alright, so in this picture I would say trends is a lot more stronger than the zone. So in this chart we have our supply zone here, and the price could not remove this supply zone, so there's the chance that the price will make a lower low, and I need to use my Fibonacci extension to find where could it go. So I would say this is the first target. That's why I put my alert on there. So the first target would be at 1585, something around that, and you need to check the momentum as well, so it has to make the classic divergence here in the weekly time frame. Alright, but that's a very big picture. So that's the first target that we could look forward to if the price is choosing to be continued in the downtrend. What about the daily time frame? So in the daily time frame, you can see that yesterday the price being in a sideways between the supports and the resistance that I gave you yesterday. So the supports that we had yesterday was at around 1640, alright, and the resistance was at around 1680. Okay, so the price not go anywhere and it's still being in this range. Okay, what about the candlestick? For the candlestick, I would say that it cannot tell much, okay, even though it's a bullish one, but it is an inside bar, so there is no strong buying power there and also no strong selling power as well. As I said, it is still being in the deciding state. Okay, but let me put up this supply zone here for the daily time frame and the demand zone here for the daily time frame. So let's drop down to the 4 hours time frame. In the 4 hours time frame, really confused because the price is now forming this this position, which is being in a sideways, which have a very narrow price range at the moment. So there's a chance that the price will continue to drop down. Once it will leave this sideways position, it will continue as the former trend, which was the downtrend. Okay, so there's more chance that the price will continue to drop down. Okay, so let's find the entry point for selling, I would say, because we are more closer to the supply zone and the demand zone is really far away. So I would say we will be focusing more on the selling side at the moment. So in the 1 hour time frame, the first thing that you will see is the low twice here. Okay, so we have the low twice here. I will use my Fibonacci extension, and the most interesting point is this one at around 1665. Okay, and we do have our supply zone here as well. This supply zone is very decent, it is very strong, hasn't been tested, and we have the imbalance as well. So I would say my first plan was selling gold at 1665. However, you need to put your stop loss over 1670. Okay, so around 1672, somewhere around that would be perfectly fine. Okay, so that's the first selling plan. What's another one? I do have another selling plan, which is from the harmonic patterns. I'll use my Fibonacci confluence to find the point. So the points for harmonic patterns would be here. So we would have somewhere around 1678 to 1683. So that's the harmonic patterns, and we also have our channel as well. Beautiful. So the price continue to, if the price going up, you know, within this channel, we will be waiting here. Okay, this one, let me put the new number. So the first plan was selling at 1665, and the second plan we will be waiting at around 1678. All right, so that's the plans for today. It's the rough plans. If the market have changed, we might need to, you know, wait for the confirming signals as well. So I hope you understand them, and I hope it's clear and easy to understand. All right, so if you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and also please click the subscribe button for us. Thank you very much. And if you haven't joined me in the BUBI project, where I will keep you updates on our plan, please do so. I will leave the registration link down below. You need to register through the website first, and then we will let you in our Telegram. All right, so I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.